Good evening all. Today we are here to perform an important topic, waste management. Waste management means properly collecting and disposing waste into suitable bins. Waste manage if we throw waste anywhere, it may cause pollution and spread diseases. There are mainly four types of wastes: paper waste, plastic waste, organic waste and e-waste.
Paper waste. Paper waste includes newspapers and notebooks. Too much of papers leads to cutting of trees, so we should recycle papers and avoid wasting it.
Organic waste includes food leftovers, vegetable peels. This waste can naturally decompose. We can use it to make compost for plants.
Third, e-waste. E-waste includes old mobiles and computers and etc. It contains harmful materials. It should be taken a proper recycling. Plastic. Plastic waste includes plastic covers, bottles and etc. It does not decompose, and so we should reduce plastic and increase cloth bags. Thank you.
In conclusion, waste management is everyone's responsibility. By following the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle, we can keep our earth clean and safe. Let us work together to create clean and green future. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.